So I hope you have written the remaining integration test cases. Yes. So today we'll teach you how to write system test case. Hmm? System test case. So let's begin. So now under the system, I have asked you guys to create some folders to add some cases for the campaign, contact, account, and all. So you have created Zoho underscore CRM create ST something like this you have written, right? So actually we did not create an individual case for every feature of this campaign. So therefore, I will just delete this and existing one I'll just edit it campaign STL, right? Then under the contact is there. So for the contact also I'll add the case. So the case will be how Zoho underscore CRM underscore contact, yeah, contact underscore ST system test case. Again, I'll add a not a case, not a case. I'll add a subsection for this. Let's say it is accounts. Accounts I have added. Now for the account, I'll add a case. So it is what? Zoho underscore CRM underscore accounts underscore ST. That's how. This is how you should create. Is that clear, everybody? Hmm? Previously, you have added creator, editor, deleter, clone, everything you have added for the system test case. But it is not required. That I told you for your practice purpose. So now you can just edit it, just add only one case. Just add only one case. Is that clear, everybody? What you should do? Just add only one case. Why, ma'am, like this? I'll tell you why, but before that, you add it. For every module, you add only one test case like this. Add it, guys. Once you're done, let me know. Edit it, come on. Everybody done?